Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, playing Midnight Marauder at 1 p.m. 1 a.m. 1 a.m. in the morning. A little confused. So I've got a 6x6 by 2-inch gallery wrap canvas and some latex semi-gloss house paint from Walmart, and I have actually coated my sides a few hours ago, and it's late enough so that this will be the only painting I'll do, and that should be, I can leave the mess for tomorrow mostly. So I'm inclined to give that a little tiny bit of a tip just to get it closer to the edges. And then I'm going to use my squeeze bottles. I'm going to start with my Mayan gold. I'm just getting the hang of this with my new colors, my Prizm Pour colors. There should be a 20% off coupon code underneath the video for Prizm Pours. This is my African Violet, which I'm going to double dose with, I think. It has the most amazing iridescent effect. This is Peacock, which I kind of think is going to be fantastic with the purple. I'll do some of my pink diamond. I'm kind of being called to something I didn't get out, and where is it? Oh, it's over there. Hang on a second. I have blue velvet. And I wasn't going to, but I am. I'm going to go back again. Put some more gold in there. Mayan gold. And hit it one last time with my African Violet, and it looks like I need a cap for that because I had a little something clogging it up. Alright, so I'm going to this time grab some Amsterdam White in Aussie Floetrol. And some Amsterdam Black. Whoa. Wow, that's weird. There's water. That must be a bottle that is soaking. Haha! I've discovered it before I made the mistake. I included a bottle that was full of water to dissolve the paint inside a little bit so I could clean it out. And it was back in the, included in the rack. Okay, my head's going to be in the way, so get ready. Here it comes. I kind of like to leave some of it unblown, but I'm going to like it no matter what, I can tell now. And then I think I would what would I like to do? I would like to take these out of here so I don't have them in my way. Do a little tip-in. This is going to be super fast, I think. I'm loving that I have some paint that I can put on my naked spots on the sides. It's so hard to pour it off. It really, really is. But it's so worth it. I just did a really wonderful bloom earlier that was a butterfly and the slug. I want to go back that way. I'm going to be rinsing this paint off my hands. It's running down between my fingers. Once I hit that edge, I'm going to bring it all back again. I hope. I think I had to bring these back again because I can put them in places that there isn't as much paint. And that way I can use a straw. Add a little more to the center, which is pretty cool. Okay, I gotta get this paint off my hand. And then I'll see if I can get my phone to light up. And we'll call it a night. I won't worry about getting fussy about anything else. There, paint is removed. I'm gonna zoom in first. I don't think I can turn the light off because it's pitch black out. But I can at least try to zoom in for a start. I like that. I'm wondering if maybe a drop or two of something like Bonfire, because I kind of really want some orange, but I don't want a lot. I didn't want to risk it. Yeah, I really like just that little hint. Yes, 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 and yes again. A few dots never hurt anybody. I think that added a lot, quite honestly. Alright, let's see what I can do here. I'm still trying to work on this. I don't know how to shimmer this paint. I just don't have a clue. I might want to make those into hearts, you know that? Or at least try. Just because I can. The name of my first book. I don't see how it can hurt anything. I'm still getting the color I wanted. There, and nobody'd know if you didn't tell them. I'm not sure I'm shimmering that correctly, but it is beautiful. I wish you could see the incredible, it's like mini sequins. Anyway, I love you guys. Hopefully that's still in frame. Yeah, it sort of is. I will see you anon. Make sure to check out some of my 2300 videos if you're interested in playlists. You can find them by going to all playlists, created playlists on my channel. You can also find my community board on my channel. I've got a few places that I'm going to pick up some of the paint that I have left over and add it with my little tool. A little acetate tool. And if I don't include the tool video, you feel free to ask me for it, because these tools are the bomb. And they'll scoop up paint from a bloom so that you can use it by just delivering it to the edges of the canvas. Just pick it up and put it down. Pretty slick, actually. Just a little waterfall effect, little curtain right down the edge. And I won't even have to wipe it up off underneath. And nobody will be the wiser unless you tell them. So don't tell them. I'm telling you, it's a secret. Shh. I know it's late and I'm weird. Yes, I know I'm always weird, so never mind. Alright, What did I not tell you? On my link tree, you will find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. Underneath it, you will find my email address should you be interested in purchasing an artwork or inquiring about taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida privately. Please give me a thumbs up. If you wouldn't mind sharing my videos, it would help me out a lot. My paint pouring recipe will be below Show More when you click Show More under the video. If you need a question answered, please feel free to ask. If you need a playlist or a video, please feel free to ask. I have everything organized by topic, genre, and by the 100. I have 2 books, and they're on the Amazon link. They're the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube, and they're called Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. I want to thank everyone for the donations that help keep me painting and bringing you new tutorials. If you would like to be part of the monthly drawing, all you need to do is find the PayPal icon on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. If you use it, I'll send you an invitation to get in the drawing. You can almost always see the prizes for the drawing at the beginning of the exhibition video, which is included at the end of this video in the last 20 seconds. I love you guys. Thank you for the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. I really, really appreciate that. If you have money to shop and you want to shop my stuff, I've got great stuff to shop. Spring clothing below the video, Society 6, Le Gallerist, that's investment quality clothing. Society 6 has awesome stuff. You've got to check that out. Pinterest and Fine Art America. And if you can't find what you're looking for there among my video art, you can always ask me to include something at one of those places. So I don't know what I'm forgetting to tell you. I'm sure there's always something. I think I mentioned my paint pouring recipe, questions, and the playlists. I love you. Thank you for inspiring the heck out of me. I will see you guys anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.